If there's two things I think someone should know about me, it's that I love books and that I love crafting. If you've watched my channel at all, I think that'll be pretty obvious. So you'll be very unsurprised to hear how excited I was to learn that my bookbinder friend Lucy, who runs Fibre Books, made a beginner's bookbinding kit. So today, I'll be bringing you along with me as I finally give it a go. But first, if you're new here, hi, I'm Beth. I'm a fibre artist, knitter, storyteller and all-round creative, and I make videos all about the magic and mindfulness of making, so as to, hopefully, inspire you to live more creatively. So without further ado, let's dive into today's crafting adventure. The kit includes an instruction booklet, a bone folder, I'm not sure what this one is made of, but Lucy does assure us it's not bone, an awl, some glue and a paintbrush to apply it, some pre-cut labels, a needle, some thread, and enough paper and card for 3 mini notebooks. Flicking through the instructions, you can definitely tell Lucy has some experience in graphic design because this is all so nicely and thoughtfully laid out and illustrated. I'm not going to talk you through the process in detail because I'm a beginner and I don't really know what I'm doing, and the instructions included in the kit explain everything way better than I ever could. But I will give a general overview of the steps. The first step is to fold each of the pages in half using the bone folder to get the fold really crisp. The 3 pieces of card for the covers are all different shades of blue, and I chose this one for my first notebook. Next, I'm piercing a few holes with the awl along that centre fold, piercing all the pages at once. Then it's time to sew them together through the holes I just pierced. The technique used here is called pamphlet stitch. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. There are 3 plain labels and 3 different decorative labels included in the kit. The decorative labels are a bit bigger than the plain ones, so that you can layer the plain ones on top, and it looks so cute. In retrospect, I should have written on the label either before gluing it or after the glue dried. The ink looks a bit uneven because I wrote on it while the glue was still wet, but oh well. And then, because it was so quick and easy, I decided to make another one. I think it only took me like half an hour, if that. I was really surprised by how simple this was. I was definitely as intimidated by the idea of bookbinding as I was intrigued by it, but Lucy did a great job at making this kit beginner friendly. There's enough materials to make 3 of these cute little notebooks, and of course you have the tools to keep so you can always get more paper and make more. Overall, I definitely recommend this kit. It's so well put together and I had so much fun making these. I'll put a link in the description to Lucy's website, Fibre Books, where you can get your own kit, browse her other products, she makes some really beautiful books, and see what workshops she has coming up. I haven't decided yet what I'm going to use these for. Maybe story ideas? Or knitting notes? Or sketches and doodles? What do you think? What would you use them for? I do think they're the perfect size to be portable, to just like pop in a handbag or whatever. I think I might actually make a little pouch to protect them from getting like creased and dogged. Ooh, maybe I could felt one. Next video maybe? I'd also love to have a go at making my own paper someday, and I think it would be so cute to make a little notebook out of paper I'd made myself. I'm also now extra excited to learn some more about bookbinding, so let me know if that's something you'd like to see in future videos. But for now, that's all I've got for you. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Please leave a like if you did, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. And if you'd like to support this channel, you can do so via my Ko-fi page, where I'm hoping to start selling some prints of my work soon. The link is in the description. But in the meantime, thanks for watching and happy crafting. Bye!